Chalkline Theatre, kumpanija ta' drama bbażata fl-Ingilterra ser ittella dram ġewwa spazju kreattiv bl-isem ta' The Nobodies. Id-dram idur ma' storja ta' tliet żgħażagħ li wara li jingħalaq sptar lokali jippruvaw jagħmlu minn kollox sabiex iħalluh miftuħ. Waqt waħda mill-provi wieħed mid-diretturi ta' dan id-dram Vikesh Godwani spjegalna aktar fid-dettall fuq dan id-dram rebbieħ ta' bosta unuri prestiġjużi.
The show, The Nobodies, is about three working class activists who are trying to save their local hospital from being closed down. In the UK, there's a case in which hospitals close down due to funding, and that means that people have to drive for a very long time. So it would affect these people's lives. So it's about them trying to save the hospital.
Took my number.
Id-direttur brabtiet speċjali ma' Malta spjega kif il-fatt li dan id-dram ġej f'pajjiżna ifisser ħafna għalih minħabba li hu kien imwieled f'pajjiżna, iżda mar jgħix ġewwa Londra 6 snin ilu. Id-dram fil-fatt qed idur bosta teatri madwar ir-Renju Unit bil-waqfa f'pajjiżna tkun l-unika waħda internazzjonali. Id-direttur li saħaq li dan id-dram qed jittella skont protokolli tal-awtoritajiet tas-saħħa wieħed spettaklu għall-familja kollha.
Obviously, it's been a really hard time for the theatre industry, for the arts industry in general. And this is one of I think it's the first international production that's being brought here since the start of COVID. So this is really exciting, especially for theatre lovers and for people lovers of culture and arts to come down and support this show.
Id-dram ser jittella sa 19 ta' Settembru u wieħed jista' jikseb il-biljetti minn fuq is-sit ta' Spazju Kreattiv.
The next war's in the hospital.